What is up, guys? Right now we're gonna go to a place called Wakulla Springs in Florida, and I am currently dying in this wetsuit because it is not cold out here in Florida. Yeah, I can't keep talking, otherwise I'm not gonna make it to the springs. So here you go.
See you for a moment, even that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you for a moment, even that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you.
Fun, still freaking hot out here, still sweating my butt off. Yeah, but it's 4th of July, and now we're gonna go watch some fireworks. Let's go!
Now I'm finally right here with you.
Alright, what is up, guys? It's the next day. Hope you enjoy this video. Yes, I just put this wetsuit on for this video and it was a bad idea because I'm dying. Okay, goodbye.
Now I'm finally right here with you.